Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making akara of beans cake, a typical Nigeria of akara you can get in on the street. It's street food. I will show you in details how you can make a very fluffy akara at home, and also how you can enjoy it and process in which you can make it. Stay tuned. Thanks for coming back. To process this akara, you will need your beans. Irrespective of the type of beans, you can use your brown beans, you can use your white beans. Soak it for like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to soften the skin in order to enable you to peel out the skin. After soaking it, just I transfer mine to my mortar to smash it in order to remove the skin. You can also use your blender to just rough blend it. After doing that, I transfer to water and sieve out the chaff. Then this the result you will be getting. To grind this, I added my onions and pepper, and I also added ginger. Just depends on how you want your memo, but this is one of the tastiest memo you'll be seeing on internet today. After blending it, you transfer it to a bowl, transfer it to a mixing bowl in order to mix it to get that fluffiness, or you can transfer it to your mortar in order to smash it to mix it well. Then I use my toner, my turning stick to do my. I added salt and I also added some dry pepper also. It just depends on what you want, but this recipe I'm showing you is very nice. I added my seasoning cube, just one seasoning cube, then add a little bit of water and stir until it's fluffy enough to settle on top of the oil. Because if it's not fluffy, it will suck oil and you will not be liking that. So when it's thoroughly mixed thoroughly, added my dry pepper. There's a little of it. I love that flavor of that dry pepper in mix. Depends on what you want. But this recipe I'm showing you, if you're going to take this, how fluffy it is. At this point, add a little bit of water, but that is like too thick, but I want it more fluffy. Next, I light up my coal, then I transfer my frying pan. I'm just going to use deep frying pan to help it. Then I added my oil. Add the oil, then you allow it to get a little bit medium hot, not too hot, not too don't let it just be hot enough to accommodate the okara. Next thing I'll be going in is the akara batter. As you can see, it's settled on the surface. Gradually add your beans cake batter. Now you can see why I say it's very important to mix your beans cake batter very well. It will help it to just settle on top of the oil. It will not soak down. See how fluffy it is? You can see it from the spoon when I drop it on inside the oil. It will be fluffy inside and outside, crunchy outside, fluffy inside, so soft and so nice. I just hope you can try it. And some places, some you can skip the onions and put it raw when you are mixing your beans cake batter, or you can blend it inside depending on how you want. But I blend my inside because none of my kids don't like seeing onions inside her food, so to avoid that, so I blend everything together. And it's even give it more taste and it's more tasty when you blend it inside. I added little ginger, and that ginger alone take it to another level. Try adding ginger to you, not too much, just a little ginger. Use your little stick to fry it. Now to separate the see how this going up. It's what I love most on making biscuit. When your biscuit is fluffy and it's bouncing on top of the oil, that shows that you know what you're doing. As in, you have mastered the art of making akara. Sometimes you get so confused that your akara will soak inside the oil and at the end you will losing your oil and putting a lot of oil inside your biscuit. When you use this method I'm showing you now, tell you, you will like making beans cake akara every time for your family. This Saturday morning, I was making this akara. We ate enough, and everybody was happy that I was so tasty. It was even used as snacks later in the day. I tell you, it's one of the acts of making this is patient. They show you follow the step I showed you in making this akara. You surely and definitely love it. If you are finding it difficult to make akara, just come to my channel and watch this video. See how it's looking golden brown, very beautiful color. Don't overheat the heat, just medium heat. At this point, your curry is ready. Because when you overheat your oil, it will just brown outside and it will not cook inside. But when you fry on the low, medium heat, not too low, but I cannot need too low heat, you need medium heat. And, uh, yes. Let me know in the comment section if you be trying this akara. And also, I would love to be seeing the video when you try the akara. Let's enjoy the mouthpiece of this wicked beans cake. Very very important. You can see on this stage the oil is very hot. It's make like if I drop this, it's became brown. So I lower the heat and start frying on the medium heat. Very very important. My I enjoy this akara with. You can enjoy with your agege bread. If you have bread, you can enjoy with your bread. You can enjoy with your pap. You can enjoy with your ogi that is compounding. You can enjoy with a lot of things. Some people even use it to drink gari that is cassava flakes. Some even use it to eat jollof rice. So to pair, you can pair it with a lot of things. It's handy snacks that you can make for your whole family in the morning. It's so so nice and healthy, and health wise it's so good. Wow. Now I'm about to make the pap. I turn it into a ball. If you have not mastered the art of making pap, just hold on in my next video. I'm uploading how you can make a perfect pap. How can you do it for added my hot water? Add your hot water, yeah, as you can see, it has start thickening. That is how you make a perfect pap. Sometimes you make your pap it will be having seed. In my next video, I will show you how you can make your pap without not having seed on it. Because it has soft and very smooth the pap is and thick also. Let me know if you be trying this pap. I will prepare your beans cake, your akara with pap. Let me know on the comment section. Is that mine with pap and akara? And also have the one I serve with agide. If you don't know what they call agide, that is compounding. It's called agide. It's made with corn and this agide. Yes, let me know. Bye.